Feminist war.
Alright, so welcome to 3 Points in 3 Minutes. This is Trey Smith, and I'm sharing with you today about the building blocks of life. The first building block of life that I've identified is this idea of identity. In the Greek, it means the breath or the soul, the essence of who a person is. It's who you've been created to be, what's been put in you, your bents, what you naturally like, what you naturally don't like, what you naturally draw yourself to, what you naturally draw yourself away from. It's important to understand who you are because it's manifested through your character or your actions. So, identity. The first point is extremely critical to the very makeup of your direction, of vision, and even belief systems, in which we're about to get into. So I want you to look at this term of identity, all right? And think about yourself, and think about what you naturally love, what you naturally hate, and think about what you naturally draw yourself to, and what you naturally draw yourself away from. Now, belief systems, point 2, is a very important building block of who you are and who you're going to become. This is what determines if you're going to be a Muslim or a Christian or a Buddhist or be a non-believer altogether or just believe in some entity up there. Why does that even matter to you? Because we all believe in something. We all believe either in doctors, or we believe in something that's fictitious that we want to be real, or we believe in something that's unseen that we know exists and we don't explain it or know how to explain it or know how. But that's what our belief system is comprised of. This is what makes us grab a Quran or grab a Bible or grab a Tibetan Book of the Dead. But our belief systems are formed because of our identity. Typically, culture will play a role in that. If you're around a bunch of Christians, the chances is that you're going to become a Christian. But if you're around a bunch of Muslims, chances are you're going to become a Muslim. And so those belief systems are meant to enhance your identity, but then also give you this idea of a vision. And the third point of 3 Points in 3 Minutes, vision. How do we get the vision? Well, it all starts from the first two preceding blocks. The first one is identity. Who you are, your makeup as a male or female, your character traits, what you like, what you dislike, and how you have set your mind to believe. Do you believe in the intangible? Do you only believe in the tangible? Where do you see yourself going? That's what vision is. I'm starting here. I'm starting at this point that I might get there. It's uses so many factors to consider its ending point. But if you can take time and understand your identity and clearly assert the understanding in your belief system, then you can see what's possible in vision for you to accomplish and to do. So today, for your 3 points in 3 minutes, consider your identity. I want you to consider your belief system. And lastly, consider your vision, because they all work together to take you where you need to go. Be blessed.